But I do have my, I know that one thing that I represent is change that I want, and that is what many, like all the youths of Nigeria want, both the youths in Nigeria and the Nigerian youths living outside of Nigeria. What we want is change, So I'm not power drunk or maybe just interested in the battle of vengeance, What I want is just to know that I'm not beaten in vain, and for the youths of Nigeria to actually enjoy the benefits of the change that comes through the suffering that I had to go through. Yeah.
All right, for the break that we got. So, could you tell us? I mean, it's very scary and shocking. Many just wondering. Look, this is this because we've seen several cases. We were just discussing that of Ms. Eze Ndigbo SA, then the Nigerian student who was chased and shot. This, to some people, they think that this is a pattern. Were you just seen on the road and the tank? What happened before you started recording?
Okay, so on that day, I was going to film. I've started my own movement on Say No to Xenophobia under the umbrella of my own brand, Ududua Classics. So I had an open discussion to film with one of the well-educated and intelligent Nigerian African that I've interviewed before, and people asked that they want to hear more from him. So I was on my way to him, and I had two of my camera crew guys with me, JC and Maxwell. We had cameras in the car, and then they just so what it has become common in South Africa that once you are seen to be a Nigerian, or maybe your car looks a certain way, maybe a bit flashy, certain brand of car that they consider to be luxurious, they just pull you over, and the moment you're a Nigerian, the way you are spoken to, is rude. You are treated like, with no respect at all. They verbally express that xenophobic attitude and intentions, So the man became rude from the beginning, and then he said we should come out. I came out. He wanted to search the car. I said, okay, go ahead. And then the next thing he said, give us your phones, submit your phones. I said, I wasn't comfortable doing that on the road. And he said, okay, would you do it if we get to the station? I said, yeah, I would be more comfortable there, because the truck was not even branded. And then he now told me that I should get into the back. They wanted to lock me in the cage. I told him, I said, excuse me, you're doing your job. I'm going to do my own work. What right do you have to just stop me? I haven't found anything on me to want to lock me, in the back of the back like a criminal. You haven't found anything on me. Let the cop sit in my car. I'll drive in front, and then you drive right behind me. We're not far from the police station at all. And that was when he said it was going to become forceful, to get me to the back of the backy. And the only thing that came to my mind, because this has happened